Alright, how I solder wire together. Basically get your two wires, strip them back around the same distance, a little quarter-inch, maybe a little bit more of a quarter-inch. And then I fan out the strands a little bit, both sides. And then I kind of lace them between each other. And then you twist them together. They should be kind of interlaced so you can't quite pull them apart. That's what you want. And you get your soldering iron. I always put some solder on it first, get it wet. You start heating up your copper wire. That's basically it. Took your hole and they're all good. That's how I solder two wires together.